Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you can understand English but feel shy or scared, then this video is just for you. First, let me tell you one thing. If you are afraid of making mistakes, even though native English speakers make mistakes, so stop worrying about it. Start speaking today. If you are waiting for the perfection, then you will wait forever and then you will won't speak. Many people think that they have vocabulary, they have grammar, they know each and everything about the English, but when they are going to speak it out, then they will go into the fear and then they will not feel good and they can't speak. The real problem is fear, not the knowledge. For example, think in English that I am speaking to you guys and I am cooking, I am doing some home chores, I am going outside, I need to go to market. Make sentences without any fear. Okay, you are the owner of making sentences, you are the listener also. So when the time to speak it out, then you can make it anytime. Talk to yourself. In the start or in the beginning, you will feel strange, but it really works. Tip number 2, speak slowly and clearly. Do not rush. Do not try to speak very fastly or very quickly. Even if you are gonna go for that, then it is possible that you can do a lot of mistakes. Speaking fast is not confidence. Speaking clearly is confidence. Do you know what? Slow English is better than wrong English. Number third point is that speak on daily basis. Like you need to practice daily, and if you want your confidence to boost up, please take out 10 minutes of yours and then you feel not shy even though you are making mistakes, but you can correct them. Okay, even 10 minutes of your day is good enough for you. There is no need to spend lot of hours for that. Read one paragraph loudly, listen to English videos, repeat what you hear. I must say, consistency is more important than speed. Tip number 4, use simple sentences. You don't need to make or build difficult or complicated sentences to speak out. You can say, I like this, I don't understand, or say something which is simple to communicate, because this is the way you can communicate with others. Communication is the key, not the speed, even not the English perfection. Be confident, and confidence comes from the practice. And if you are regularly doing the same thing, like if I read something I need to convey in English, so I am doing some practice, or make a video like I am doing, or you can listen to podcasts, try to narrate the story, try to take out the moral of the story, try to think that what they actually said. You need to write down a little paragraph. You can make a daily journal in which you can write what did you do in whole day, what did you eat, what did you write, where did you go, like how many friends did you met or did you meet today. So you can do anything according to your choice. It's up to you, and these things will boost your confidence. These things will gonna level up your confidence. So that's why you just be confident with practice, not alone. The more you speak, the better you become. That is the actual reality. Remember, at first people will laugh at you, but after some time they will gonna respect your efforts. Friends, start speaking today. If you are fear of mistakes or afraid of mistakes, then do it, but don't give it up. And if you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up and do like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.